Good day. My name is Jeffrey Joshua N. Arimado, an electrical engineering student at Colegio de Muntinlupa. Today, I'm going to present my on-the-job training report at Philintech Naga Corporation, short as Philintech. Here are the contents that I will present. First, Chapter 1. It talks about the company. Next is the Chapter 2. It is the on-the-job training activities of the trainee. Next is the Chapter 3. It is the skills acquired and also the engineering problem that the trainee encountered. Lastly, the conclusion. In Chapter 1, it talks about the company. Philintech Naga Corporation, established on April 4, 2018, it is managed by experienced Filipino professionals in engineering, management, banking, finance, marketing, and consulting, with over 35 years of experience in Asia and multinational companies. Initially, a local marketing arm for internationally industrial companies in oil and gas, power generation, energy mining, and construction. Fintech now engages in diverse activities. The company offers a wide array of quality products at competitive prices, supported by exceptional customer and after-sales service. The company mission and vision. Fintech mission is to be a leading unconventional supply chain management company that provides business solutions, products, and services that are not only value for money but also exceptional in quality. The fintech vision is to build meaningful relationships with our customer, shareholders, partners, and employees while achieving goals through professionalism, commitment, and dedication and contribute to the nation building. The company has four core values, which is the integrity, trust, respect, and flexibility. Fintech quality statement is dedicated to exceeding customer requirements and standards by implementing a quality management system that meets local and international standards, continuously upgrading technology and delivering products and services promptly. The company supports employee growth through training and career development programs and emphasizes teamwork, recognizing and valuing all contributions. Their slogan is your global partner to your global needs. In Chapter 2, it talks about the OJT activity of the trainee. During week 1, the trainee has three activities, which is the company orientation, site visit in Batangas, and TORM executional plan. First, the company objective. It overview the workplace expectation, and Sir Jojo and Sir June discussed the mission, vision, quality statement, and the rules and regulation of the company. And also, the Sir June distribute the task that the trainee will undergo during his on-the-job training in Philintech Naga Corporation. Site visit in Batangas. The trainee inspected the UPS and the SPD of the plantation, which is it needs to be maintained regularly, and also the interrupt internal components was checked to ensure proper operation of the plantation. The plantation is the DNL, which it Next is the TOR and execution plan. So, the trainee was tasked to make an executional plan for the project in Calbayog Samar, Rostad in Calbayog Samar. During week 2, the trainee was tasked to construct an electrical material for catalog for the company and compiling data for the company. And in construction of electrical materials, the trainee prepare and organize the materials for the electrical catalog. And also, the trainee gathered information through internet, through the catalogs of our partner, the company's partner. And while in compiling data for the catalog, the trainee prepare and organize the materials needed and also gather detailed information for each material. During week 3, the trainee was tasked to research the difference between ANSI and IEC standard, which it compared with ANSI standards to enhance understanding of industry. And the trainee searched the difference between ANSI and IEC through internet and PEC book for structured principles and practices. Next, the trainee was tasked to make a streetlights and cable catalog. Well, the trainee was tasked to make an streetlights catalog for the company to be presented to the customer. The rest of the week of the on-the-job training activities are OJT meeting and brainstorming, insights from international partnerships and strategic planning, meeting the Germany possible partnership with a Germany company which is the LSVD, and construction of electrical materials catalog, designing the company catalog, advancing solar streetlights project, and information gathering, mapping, and hosting partners. In Chapter 3, it is the technical and soft skills learned and the engineering problems that the trainee encountered. Embarking the trainee 300 hire on the job training OJT at Pinindotech Naga Corporation has been an enriching experience, seamlessly blending theoretical and knowledge with practical application. The trainee acquired technical skills. First, the project planning and documentation. As the as the as the trainee performed these tasks, the executional plan, making the execution plan and TOR, the trainee can relate this to academic because it provided further justification for the trainee engineering classes in project management, stressing highly and adherence to technical specification. Next is the site inspection and maintenance in Batangas, where we check the UPS and SPD. So, the trainee can relate this to academic because it is the practical exposure complemented the trainee coursework on electrical system, allowing the trainee to connect theoretical knowledge with real-world application. Next is the technical research and standardization. Uh, the trainee was tasked to search between the difference between ANSI and IEC. The trainee can relate this to academic because this activity represented academic problems in standard compliance that stressed the importance of keeping up with industry practices for sound quality assurance and safe engineering projects. Next is the technical documentation, where the trainee can relate this to academic because these tasks reinforce the documentation skills taught in technical writing courses, highlighting the need for precision and clarity in conveying technical information. Lastly, the supplier sourcing and negotiation. I the trainee was tasked to search another distributor, and the trainee was succeeded to find or to search another supplier, which is the Senfa Solar. So the trainee can relate this to academic, this because this experience reinforce skills in supplier evaluation, cost analysis, and negotiation, which are integral parts of supply chain management and procurement courses.